Hey all, N3SDO here with you again. I've retired from work and recently moved from the Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania area to Rienzi, Mississippi in the northeast area of the state. I recently had the pleasure to go to Gigaparts in Huntsville, Alabama. Quite the ham radio candy store. I purchased a couple of items while I was there, and this is the second of them, an Intellitron Lightning Arrestor model LA-1101. A nice looking unit with two SO239 jacks, a screw on the bottom with an included wire lug for grounding. This arrestor does not appear to have any screws or openings in the case other than where the SO239 jacks mount, and a chrome bump on the side opposite the grounding screw, which I theorize to be the energy absorption device. I'm intending to make an L-shaped bracket to attach the Lightning Arrestor to my grounding bus bar, but upon removing the ground connection screw, it appears that the screw is anodized on the grounding connection, both the threads and the wire lug contact surface. In my experience, anodized coatings can be an insulator, in some cases withstanding up to 1,000 volts. Is this really insulated? Let's put the screw back and get the ohmmeter, see what the ohmmeter says. Get the fluke meter set up here. And let's check from coax connector to coax connector. Yeah, we've got a short there, 0.4. And just double check we've got good contact through the plating. Connecting to the wire terminal. And we've got 2.9K. That shouldn't be there. 2.9K again. It's rechecking 2.9K. This should be much lower. Here we've got 2.9 again. And connecting to the screw, we've got 0.5, 0.6, and still getting 2.9K. So we've got a problem. There's a similar product made by OPEC that, according to the photograph, also has an anodized coating under the ground screw. Luckily, the solution is pretty easy. We're going to remove the anodized coating by tapping the hole that I believe is currently a metric M5 with a 1/4-20 tap, and then filing away the anodized coating on the bottom side here. So putting a little oil on the tap to help with cutting, and then we'll start applying some tender loving brute force to it. Turns out my 1/4-20 tap is pointed on the bottom end and will not tap all the way down to the bottom of a blind hole. If I had a flat bottomed tap, I would be able to do this better. Well, I'm just going to have to make do with what I've got. The steel screw and some tender loving brute force puts threads deeper down into the aluminum. I'm also filing away the anodized coating on the exterior face of the case to improve the ground lug contact. After I get this done, my intended 1/4-20 screw is still too long and bottoms out in the hole. But a solution is to add a nut to the screw, and there I go, Bob's my uncle, Well, actually, Bob's my cousin, but anyway, this works. Checking with the ohm meter in, and it reads under 0.2 ohms, same as shorting the meter leads together. I will call that a success. Well, I hoped I have educated you on how to identify this fault and to fix this style of lightning suppressor to work more effectively. Till next time, 73 N3 SDO.